Okay, so imagine this, right? You walk onto a job site, any job site, but instead of that chaos, you see perfectly mitered corners,
Yeah.
curved walls, like out of some fancy magazine, and it's all moving crazy fast. Twice the speed at least.
Yeah, no doubt.
That's not like construction magic, though. It's prefabricated drywall.
Prefabricated drywall.
Yeah.
Right, and it's changing everything. This is how we build now.
Totally, and that's what we're diving into today.
All right, let's do it.
We've got this document, lays out all the advantages of prefabricated drywall, and I mean, it's drywall, so maybe not the sexiest topic on the surface. But, and trust me on this, there's some wild stuff in here. Anyone into design or just, how things are actually built, this is for you.
Absolutely. The tech behind it is pretty mind-blowing.
Okay, so first up, this document's hitting us with the classics. High accuracy, fast installation. Like, yeah, okay, every marketing brochure says that.
Right, got to get past the buzzwords.
Exactly. But why? Why is prefabrication so accurate? What's the secret sauce?
So it's about the tech. They're using CNC machining. Think of it like, 3D printing.
Yeah.
It's kind of like that, but for building. Every piece cut to the millimeter, perfect precision. It's impossible to get that consistency on a normal job site with traditional methods,
Yep. Human error, the elements, all that.
Exactly.
Okay, that makes sense. But then they hit us with this, cutting job times in half? Come on, is that actually happening?
Oh, it's not just talk. Think about it. Less time on site, cutting, measuring, fixing mistakes, all that. That adds up. We're talking weeks, maybe even months, shaved off a project.
That's huge, though. Time is money, as they say.
And headaches. Imagine, fewer delays, fewer things going wrong. It's a smoother process for everyone.
Right, everybody wins. Okay, now this is where I was really hooked. The document's talking about design freedom and cost savings at the same time. Now those two usually don't go together, right? You want custom, you gotta pay for it.
You're right. Usually, that's how it works.
Yeah.
But prefabrication changes the game. It's like shifting the cost. Instead of spending a fortune on site with specialized labor, fixing mistakes and all that, you're paying more up front. But that gets you a smoother, more efficient process that saves money in the long run.
So complex designs, curves, all that becomes more doable.
Exactly. And you don't need an unlimited budget, which is huge.
Architects must be going nuts for this stuff.
Oh, absolutely. It's all about pushing boundaries.
Yeah.
We're talking vaulted ceilings that just flow, curved archways that look impossible, but prefabrication makes it all real without breaking the bank.
So it's not just about making things look nice either. The document also mentions things like better quality overall, faster builds, of course. Oh, and maybe even better for the environment, which is interesting.
Yeah, that's a big one. Sustainability is so important in construction now, and for good reason. Prefabricated drywall means less waste, which is a major plus for green building and all that.
Right, so it's not just about prettier walls, it's about a smarter way to build. Efficient, faster, less wasteful. Man, this has been a fascinating deep dive.
Totally agree. Really makes you think about where construction is headed.
Absolutely, like what does this mean long term? Could this change how much houses cost? Or the kind of skills people need to work in construction? Maybe even, I don't know, the whole look of our cities. Prefabricated drywall could be just the start. This is like a whole new world of building.
A whole new world.
Yeah.
We're just starting to explore it. Who knows what's next?
Who knows?